So this is your branch, right? So can you hear me? Okay. Okay, I can see your GitHub
Yeah, I can hear
branch
you.
sent to me. Yeah, I'm opening your branch that you sent to me.
Okay, so this is what I pushed. Okay. Okay. Should I go to my VS Code or I'm working on my VS Code currently? Well, let me show you the
Okay.
code through GitHub
Okay.
here.
Okay.
So this was the first one. Yeah. So you see, we should, yeah, you should create another job called deploy, and we should run on another engine. So this is what I ran on Mac OS.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. Should just tell me how. Okay, this is me scrolling through.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Pull request test branch. That's fine. The first job is running on Ubuntu latest.
Yes.
The other one, check out User Echo. Okay, the next stage is build, deploy. No, that's okay. Scroll up. Scroll up.
Yeah. This is
Scroll up. Just scroll up. Not down.
okay. Up. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So can you see something? Line 17 and 19. You have jobs.
Okay.
You have jobs.
Yes.
You have
Job.
build as a job. You understand?
Yes. Okay.
You created another one. You wrote deploy.
Okay.
Deploy will be another job.
Yes.
If you check the indentation of this thing, this thing used on while running pipeline, you see the pipeline will not run. It will fail.
Okay.
So yeah, so let's give it a try, knowing that it will fail. Just I want us to just give it a try, and so I can now correct the points that were wrong. So go to your GitHub Actions. Just scroll up.
All right.
Scroll up. Your screen is kind of frozen.
Yeah.
I say your screen is kind of frozen. Yeah. So now go to Actions.
Okay, I'm on.
I'm coming. Let me see. Go back to your code.
Okay.
Go back to code. Yeah.
I'm on now.
Your screen is kind of frozen here. I don't know, maybe it's yeah, I can see code. I can see what you did. So you didn't have a like a workflow part on your listing. So no problem. Let's do one thing. Duplicate this tab.
I should duplicate the tab.
Yeah, just duplicate. Good.
Okay.
So now go to actions.
All right.
Set up a workflow flow yourself.
Okay.
The screen is kind of frozen. Yeah, just open it. Okay, so now go to the other tab that you duplicated and copy everything in your workflow file.
Okay.
Copy everything here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and put it in that. Yeah, just paste it.
Okay.
Yeah. So now click on commit changes. You will see that the pipeline is going to fail. Kind of. So just scroll up on your right. You
Okay,
see commit changes.
Okay, commit changes here. Yeah. All right.
So commit it to the main branch.
Okay, directly to the main branch. Okay.
Yes. Commit changes. Okay. So now click on actions. So do you see that
it has failed?
Now click on it.
Yeah.
So invalid working file. You know, I was talking about it initially. So now,
yeah, see line.
Go to the workflow file on your left. Yeah.
Okay.
No, not that one again. So you're not using this one again. So refresh this page. Okay. You will see the new one you are using.
Okay, so I should go to this one, workflow file.
So no, go to your code again in the other tab. So I want you to see it well. Yeah, now refresh this page.
I should refresh it, okay.
Okay, you see GitHub folder on your left. GitHub folder on your left.
GitHub. Yes, yes.
Open it. Yeah, you see main.yaml. So that's the file you are working on now. Click on it.
Okay.
So the main problem here that I'm pointing out for you now is look at line 17 and 19. You see it? And look at line 33 and 35. Now you have what is called jobs. You understand? Jobs is plural, kind of. Under that jobs, you have multiple jobs. You understand? Multiple job. Do you understand? Job is singular. Jobs is plural. Job is just one. Jobs means multiple job. You understand that jobs. Now, the first job here is called build. You understand? That's line 19.
Yeah.
I said that, okay, guys, create another new job and call it deploy.
Yes.
So the new job you are creating will be under jobs, but the new job. You see that? Okay, so look at the indentation. Indentation means that the line, that's in the line. Okay, do you have your VS code? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now do git pull. I want to show you something in the indentation with your VS code.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Do you have the folder cloned presently, or do you want to clone it afresh?
Let me open the folder. Another.
Okay, so you can just clone the.
Okay, I'm working on something actually. That's why I'm trying to work on the. I was before I left the house.
Okay.
So that is.
Okay.
Okay, again.
I can.
Because that one, I'm working on that one. I'm working on the main one. That's why to still open. I said I rename it.
Okay. I would have go back to that one that you are working on. So what are the main changes you are trying to do there? Let's look at it.
Yeah, okay. Just trying to create I'm trying to basically create a conflict, right? So just different add changes to the file to make conflict with what I have there and screenshot and send to you.
Okay. Because you have already made a change to the main branch now. Can you go to that code again? So you are presently on your
main.
On your main branch. So just do git pull.
Okay.
So okay, so it needs you to go back there and resolve your conflicts. You can snap
resolve
your
the conflicts.
Resolve your conflicts.
Okay.
So you just resolve the conflicts that you want to resolve, and let's work on the other one together.
Okay.
You can take a screenshot of the conflict also, so as an evidence, and you can drop it on the group chat.
Okay. So yeah, that's why I was asking for the video, so as to be able to follow it up. Because I know that day you said we should, if it's to accept current change or accept incoming change. So it's still something I wanted to get home and still study.
You can accept current change. You can just accept current change. Accept current change. Or I would have said you should accept incoming change. Accept incoming change. Yeah.
Okay, incoming.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, incoming change. Yeah.
Okay. And the other one. 100. Okay. Okay.
So let me git add. All right, so we can work now.
Yeah, git push. Oh no, I'm coming.
I'm not pushing. I just committed to staging.
Yeah, just committed to staging. Yeah. So now do git pull. I want you to pull the updated things that we did on. Okay, good. I'm coming. Scroll down.
Divergent branches. The branch now diverged.
You have divergent branches and need to specify how to reconcile them. Okay. So
should I do git start?
Yeah, run that git config rebase to true. Do that git config
rebase.
pull dot rebase.
Okay. Git config pull dot rebase. Git config pull dot rebase. Okay.
Your screen is kind of frozen here.
Okay, I've done just as
okay.
said.
Now do git pull. I want to see what it's going to show you. Okay, conflict, add. Okay, first action. So accept incoming change. It wants you to match.
Okay.
Accept incoming changes. No problem. The index, accept incoming changes.
Yeah. So I should do git merge now.
Now git push.
Okay.
Let's push it on. Okay. Are you working on a different branch? I thought you said main. Can you click on the branches?
Main and test branch.
Run. I'm coming. Do git. I don't want to stash everything. I would have said you should do stash. Do you have git bash? Yeah.
Bash. Yeah, I think.
I want to be seeing the current branch. Okay, yeah. No, I don't want. So let's do it like this.
Please git bash.
Just I'm coming. Just run just everything. Let's continue. I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming. So let's go back. Are you working on this presently?
Okay, no.
Okay. So let's do git commit okay, we have committed. Let's do git push now.
Okay.
I know that the push will not go. I know that git push will go. Let's just run.
So can you see the right part of my screen? Let me even
It's kind of
let me try
frozen.
it. Okay. Let me do
Video off. It will work soon. And then I'm coming. Fix. Fix level. Then you get out. So stuff is touch it. And to fight. I'm coming. Hold on. To fight change.
all
right. For deletion. You must currently. Okay. You are not currently on a branch. Can you see? You are not currently on the branch. So git push origin main.
Okay.
Git push origin main. Rejected. Main has been fast forward to this thing. Blah blah blah. Okay. So just git checkout. Git checkout. I think space that's yeah, B should be again the front and put a new branch name.
Okay.
Test underscore 2. Switch to test underscore 2. Git add. Stop.
Can I put the dots?
Yes. Git commit.
So
That's it. Add coffee 10 million specific main on. Use git commit amend. Okay, use git commit amend. Copy that git commit amend. I think git commit here. Paste it. Enter. And do you know how to control this VI?
This Vim, Abi?
Vim, yes. You know how to control it. You scroll down to the place where you want to edit, put insert. So directly. Next command. Okay. So far you are done, you just click on escape semicolon WQ.
Escape.
Yeah. Escape. You know that semicolon WQ.
Yeah.
Let me type it on the chat. What you want to need to do. After pressing escape, you just write this.
Okay.
Okay, I'll drop it on the chat.
Okay, let me. Okay, on the chat here, okay.
Yes, I dropped it on the chat. Not on, it's on Teams chat.
Okay.
So that's what you press after putting in the escape.
Okay.
Escape, put that in there. You may not be able to copy and paste it to WQ, not capital letters.
Okay.
Just click on escape again. WQ, enter.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is supply the message using either -m. There was a problem with the editor via initially.
Do something like this.
No. Can you just clear everything? Just right clear, clean everything, clear everything, and let's clone the branch again.
Okay.
I think we have a lot of conflicts here. So just delete this folder, clone the updated folder that you updated on this thing.
Because I should delete this one, right?
Yeah. So just go to file. Go to file.
Okay.
I would have said you not close it.
Okay.
So just go to your VS Code again. So let's clone that Yoko again.
Okay.
So yes. Olatunbo, welcome. Okay. Good. Click on main.yaml on your left side. Main.yaml. Good evening. Olatunbo, have you done your assignment?
I've been on it, and that's why I even joined the call now.
Okay.
And I've had to clear and restart from the very, very beginning. But I keep having the issue of what's it called now? When I try to create the conflict and change what's on my main to be different from what's on the test. By the time I'll put the code for or whatever to just check, okay, so that to show me that there is a conflict, it will not bring up the conflict.
It will not bring up the conflict. Okay.
Yes, it's not bring up. So I have to like clear everything, delete the repository, start again. So and I'm still having that issue. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing.
Okay,
yes,
no problem. I will get back to you soon. Let me just be true with Benga for a minute. So Benga, look at line 19. Do you see the line in line under their build in line 19?
Okay.
Can you see the line is straight? You see that you say that your deploy has an error. So what you will do, you see what you move in line, you move line 32 and 33. Delete them.
Okay.
Line 32 and 33. Delete them. Okay, so we name that build that is there. You name it to deploy.
Deploy, okay.
Yeah, sorry, please. I want to tell this guy to rest. Sorry, please. So you see, you are fine now, right? So click on Git add.
Git add.
Yeah. Git add, Git commit, Git push. That's all. So I think we have solved the issue of your pipeline. So you can now try to replicate that process of your conflict and so on. Do you get it?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, Olasunbo. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, yeah, you can share your screen. Let's go through it together.
Okay. Share my screen. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So the first class that we had, and then the second one, I already tried using that test when we two, but that's what I was using previously. But when I had to like clear everything and then come back, I just decided to use the assignment. But okay, so this is what I'm saying. And at one point, I had to ask ChatGPT what I was doing wrong too, but like I think it was confusing me.
Okay.
Everything was
Okay.
confusing me. So yes, okay. So I created the README, the in fact this time around I'm doing it again. I think maybe I just jamboree the whole steps, but
The whole steps. Okay,
yes,
so let's get to it together. So this is how we do it. Now, this is your main branch, right?
yes, yes,
Good. You have made your push, everything is pushed correctly. You see, it is telling you that there's nothing to add. Look at the
yes.
error it gives. There's nothing to commit. Workflow
What?
tree clean.
Yes.
So click on line 13.
This I sent this one.
Yes, yeah, line 13. No. Just click on the editor, the file itself, not the number.
Okay, just the side. Okay.
Yeah, click on one space bar, don't delete once.
I should what?
Delete your backspace once.
Okay.
Just press it once. Good. Uh, now uh, go to another file. Your readme file. Your readme file. So just put one space from line 3. Put space line 3. Press space. Okay, sorry.
Space.
Enter. I mean enter. I want to just
Okay.
type anything down there.
Okay. Just anything.
Type anything. Yeah, type anything down there. Anything good. Now go and do git add.
It's at then full stop. I'm writing.
Yes. Yes. Git commit. Oh no. It is
Oh,
asking you for your commit message. So waiting for your editor to close the file. So don't you see that commit editing that is there? on your right-hand side. It opened a new file.
Yes.
Just cancel it. Cancel it. Yeah. So we learn that. So do git commit -m and your column this thing. Yeah, space -m space no that one.
Yeah.
Yes. Both of you, yeah. Put anything you want to put as a message and close it. Put anything you want to put in that commit message. Anything you want to type there.
Okay.
Just type anything. So that's close it and enter. Now do git push.
Git push. I have to be checking this thing. Just git push. That's it.
A minute, please just hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, just git push will do. If there's anything to add, to show you. Can you hear me, Sumbo?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay, because
yeah, just git push. Git push will do.
I was using all those shortcuts that I sent.
All right.
Before.
Okay, so you see that's pushed. So go to your GitHub and you refresh.
Okay. So I'll just refresh.
So refresh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now I see it.
So I think your GitHub is fine now. So what do you want? You want to create a match conflict, right?
Okay, no. So now I can see that my README and my JSON they are recent now. Okay, because of the message that but the YAML file is not. I think when you were teaching us, you said that instead of us having to like list, we could just do one, it's not that git and then add then full stop and everything will be applied.
Yes. That's what you did.
Yeah, okay. But this YAML file is not.
The file wasn't edited. That's why.
Yeah. Okay, because I didn't touch it at all.
That's good. So now it remains your pipeline. Have you done your pipeline?
No, I don't know what you call pipeline.
That was the CI. Mr. John, we are having.
Talking about last week.
Yeah, I've done my pipeline. I've not done my complete resolution. She has done complete resolution. She has not done pipeline. But
okay, so should I leave the class for you guys to solve it?
No, please.
Because I'll be patient if I'm solving the problem for you guys now. So you guys can help yourself to solve it. One person will solve the first problem. The second person will solve the other problem. So you guys will teach yourself how to solve it.
But hold on, Mr. John, hold on. So I'm trying to even commit my changes. I've made the changes. I'm trying to commit. It's showing me commit message. I've been trying to change the message. So I'm a little bit confused.
Okay, let me see.
Can you stop sharing your screen?
Okay.
No, you can just share your own directly. No problem. Just share yours directly.
Okay. All right. Okay, can you see my now? Can you see it now?
I can see it. Yes, a minute, sir.
Okay, yeah. So I wanted to run it, right? Just like the way we did.
He said you should give him a minute. Then I wanted to ask
okay.
it's back, don't worry.
Okay.
There was an error committing your changes. A file with the same name already exists. So why are you trying to create a new GitHub action file? What I'm seeing here is that you want to create a new GitHub action file. Click on cancel.
During that time.
That one I showed you is because you are creating a new file.
I copied the file, the new changes.
So you don't need to create a new file again. You already have a pipeline file. You don't need to create another one. Your screen is kind of frozen.
Okay, pipeline is running. Now that I've made those new changes.
I can't see your screen anymore.
Okay.
I think you are having a network lag. So Minga, let me know when you can hear me well.
Okay, yeah.
You are still breaking. Okay, let me just
I can
show
hear you.
Oh, just hold on. Just stop sharing. Stop sharing. Let me share my screen to show you your repo yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Can you see your repo?
All right.
Benga, are you still here? Benga, can you still hear me? Hello. Hello.
I can hear you, but I don't think I think his network has gone off.
Okay, network has gone. So I will just preview it, and you can tell him to watch the video again. So I'm going to try to upload this video again, so you guys can come back to just look at the little changes that you did and so on, so you can be able to get familiar with many of the things. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so good. So somebody's in the group chat. Okay. Benga had network issues. Okay, Benga, can you hear me better now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. I'm showing you your repo. Fine, on good. You understand? So now, when you want to edit your file,
okay,
that's your YAML file, your pipeline file, you don't need to create a new one. What I showed you then was creating a new YAML file. You understand? You don't need to create a new one again. You understand?
Okay.
So what you need to do mainly is that you just go to code, just a straightforward thing. Code, GitHub.workflow, GitHub folder. Under the workflow folder, subfolder, this is your main file. This is your pipeline file.
Yeah, okay.
Do you see?
Okay.
So you can be editing your pipeline files. I will advise that you should try as much as possible to edit it from your VS Code. Reason why is that you kind of see the indentation very well. That means the lines.
Okay.
When I mean indentation, I'm talking about that long line that you see here. All those long lines. On VS Code, you can see it clearly. But on GitHub, the web version, you find it very hard to see the spacing and so on. And also, you can see that these things they are set in such a way whereby on is in this line. There's a line here down where on is. There's a line where push is. But looking at it from this side, you'll be like everything are the same. You understand? But in reality, they are not. There are lines and there are kind of stages and so on and so forth. So now your pipeline ran last time, but it failed.
Yes.
I just want to branch into it. Why did it fail? It's very simple. You just go to actions, you go to workflow, click on the last one that I ran.
Okay.
So it's invalid one. Okay,
workflow.
The reason why it failed, let me tell you the reason why. So the last time that you push, you made a push that result for you. You know that your pipeline is running on which branch? It's running on test branch. It's until when you push and pull to test branch before your pipeline runs.
Okay.
You understand? So what you will do for me now is that on your VS Code, on your main branch, do git pull firstly. Git pull first and download the changes.
After on the main branch.
On your main branch. Now edit this your test branch to main.
Okay.
After you have edited the changes, now do your git add, git commit, and pull and push. Let's now see your pipeline run. I'm waiting for you.
All right. Let me
So can you do that fast?
Yeah, let me try to share my screen so that I won't.
I think you have network lagging anytime you share your screen.
But are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah, I can see your screen now. No problem. Just make your changes now. Just do it.
So you said I should switch to main.
Kind of follow what it's doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you said I should switch to main, right?
Yes, switch to main.
So I'm on main now, and I did the git pull. But
no, I don't think you're on main. No, I don't think you're on main. No.
Okay, wait.
Git switch. No, not Git status. Git status is at our main branch. Okay, Git. Okay, no, let me see what you asked. Oh God. Okay, your main branch. Good.
Yes.
Your main branch. So, but your main branch is not updated with what is online.
Okay. So I should.
Git pull.
Okay.
Just do Git pull. I don't know why it's not updated with what you have online. So they are already, replace merge directory. So can you go to your folder? Can you close this VS Code? Go to that folder where you save this code and delete it.
Okay.
We already have a lot of margin issues. That folder where it's
this is the folder.
Yeah, just delete it.
Okay, you delete the folder. Okay.
Delete the folder and clone again.
Okay.
So get your VS Code and clone it afresh.
Okay.
Because our main branch is already updated. Okay, you see our main branch is actually updated.
Yeah.
So main. So continue.
Okay. So can I change this one here now? To main.
Okay. So continue.
Okay. So I made the changes. So do I do git add, and git
just
push
continue.
again?
Continue. Just continue.
Okay. So how do I run it now? What do I do next? That's the thing.
Your terminal, on your terminal, just continue git processes.
Okay. Git process. That's what you said.
Git add.
Okay.
What I mean by git processes are the stuff.
Okay, git add. Okay. Okay. All right.
So let's go to our GitHub.
Okay.
Go to our actions. Leave. You just click on leave.
Okay.
Okay. Go to your go to actions.
Okay.
You see that it's run.
Yeah.
And it's also
okay, run. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now, so I think we are able to solve your. So you can see the stages now. You have build stage, you have deploy stage.
Deploy. Okay. That's it too. Okay. Okay, so, build. These are the two different jobs: the build and the deploy.
Now you understand. You understand.
Yeah.
So
I'll put symbol.
You now have to work on your
Git conflict. The conflict.
Your Git conflict. So let me just explain it. The conflict process for the two of you again, because we are still going to have this whole session again tomorrow. And you have two branches. You have branch A. You have branch B. You understand? You have your main branch. You have your test branch. You get it? You update your main branch and you update your test branch. You now try to merge what is inside your test branch into your main branch. You are going to definitely have a conflict.
Okay.
So take a screenshot of the conflict. Take a screenshot of after you have resolved the conflict. You understand? That's the main thing we just need. So
Mr.
there's
John,
no crime trying.
I'm sorry. For that conflict now, say in my main branch, under my YAML, I have maybe the last word there is false. And then in the test branch now, because they are the same thing now. I've gone to my test branch to go and change that false, that last word false to true. It should create a conflict, yes.
Huh?
Hmm.
Yes.
So
It's going to create a conflict, yeah.
yes. So, but whenever I do that, and then I put the command for the conflict for
Match.
what? Yes, try the command
When you
I'm
try
meant
to
to do
match,
next. Yes, exactly. When I'm meant to merge, it will say that it's the same thing. There's one particular that thing you said saying that is working tree clean. Yes.
so
It will say that
it's not,
nothing to
that means that,
commit or something.
is it that it's unable to commit or what?
It's saying like basically because I put it on ChatGPT, like just in layman term,
There's
tell
no
me what
conflict.
there is no conflict there.
It's
And meanwhile,
so
I
Yeah,
already
yeah.
want to change it.
Thank
your main
you. That was
branch.
what I did. That was what I
I kept
experienced. It was
changing it
clean.
and changing it.
And it
And
was
that's why I
clean.
came back to delete everything. I deleted everything I just started from the very beginning of lesson one.
Okay, let me just type something on the chat. So I'll just drop it on the group also. So this is the solution.
I experienced the same thing. It was just clean. I was like, but there are changes to these two different branches and everything is still clean.
Number one,
The same as,
create two branches. You have to create two branches. One is create two branches, which are your main branch
and the second branch.
and your test branch. You understand?
Okay.
After that, ensure that your main branch ensure that your main branch and test are having the same code. That's number one. Number two, update your main branch. Update the main branch. Three, update your test branch separately. Ensure the changes in the main and test.
Hello, Mr. John, would you post this on the
I'll put on the group.
WhatsApp group?
I'll put on
Okay,
WhatsApp.
because I want to hit the road now. I want to leave to my place. I don't know.
Okay. Now
All right.
make a pull request from your test branch to your main branch.
Sorry, before I go, Sumbo, you can chat me up. So for the CL
I'm doing
pipeline,
that right now.
In short,
you just chat me up. When I get home, I'll set up a meeting with you.
conflict
Thank you.
All right, yeah.
Screenshot the conflict created and resolve the conflict. Solve the conflict, and lastly, screenshot the resolution screenshot the resolution of the conflict, and lastly, that's a short message. Okay, so copy. Okay, I've already told you. So can you see what I dropped? Symbol.
On the chat, yes.
Okay, I'm dropping it again on the WhatsApp group.
Okay. Okay, but before you go, yes, I can see. But before you go, let me share my Because let me share my screen. Because right now, I already made sure that they are different anyway.
Okay, let me see what you did.
Okay. So, okay, I'm still on my main. And on the main now, it's false, false, false. Yeah. It's false, false, false. And then okay, those are like the only two. Those are the
This
only
is your main branch. Okay. So
so
now you do git switch to your test branch.
so you can see now that the last word is true here. True. Meanwhile, those ones are false, false, false. Then the last one to here is true. Then
Okay.
if I check this
You have false. Hold on.
okay.
On your this thing, on your main branch, everything is false, 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 right?
Yes.
In your test branch, you have the first two to be false. This
Yes.
last one is true. The other one is the other five is true, right?
Yes. Yes.
Go back to your main branch.
I'm right. Am I right? It's between.
Yes. Okay. So where you are false in the third line,
Yes.
now write false true together. False and true. Yes, you get it. Now go to the other file. Where is the other one? Write false true.
Wait, this is the JSON one. False, false.
So on the other one again, where is that one that line? Okay, that's the line you changed on
Yes.
your
Yes.
that. Okay, write false true again. You
Okay.
understand? Now do git add, git commit, and git push to your main branch.
Okay. So whenever you change something, the next thing to do is to do git
Yes,
git add.
git add, git commit, and git push.
Can I type everything all at the same time, or I have to wait for
So
it
you have
one?
to type it separately, one after the other.
Okay. Okay. So
Git
git
add,
add then full stop.
yes. That's when you are adding all the files. Git commit, the commit message, that's staging it, and you have git push.
Oh, sorry, you said something. Git commit and what? Okay.
Git
Okay. I'm
commit,
changing it.
yeah, just put any name, any commit message you want to put here.
Add commit and then push.
Yeah.
Push.
Okay, now go to your GitHub. Okay, refresh the page. Good. Now create a go to your test branch on this place. Switch to your test branch
Here
on
on
GitHub.
this.
Yeah, on GitHub. This is where you have main. Go to your view or are you sure? View all branches. Is
Because I
this
thought
this
I
is
created it. I
this is a
created it.
different repo now. Just go back to code. Click on code. Oh, go back to your VS code. Now do git go switch to test branch. You haven't yet pushed your test branch.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay, so
Git add. Okay, git switch to test. Git switch your test branch. Now git add. Commit.
Nothing to commit.
Okay, just update something. Yeah.
On both the JSON and YAML file.
Yes, update something on the JSON and YAML file. Here you have to do the same thing for the JSON file. You can add through 1, 2, 3. Now git add again. So you go back to adding process. Git add.
Then git commit now, Abby.
Yeah, your screen is frozen. I can't.
Still frozen.
Yes, no, okay, git commit now. Oh, git push. Do you see that you haven't yet pushed that branch to that repo? Can you see it?
That's to the Git page
GitHub,
itself.
yeah. So copy that git push set upstream. Copy everything on that. Yeah, copy everything there. Yeah, copy it and paste it